Have you ever imagined a house on wheels so powerful that it can crush through deep snow, climb steep rocky mountains, and still feel like a 5-star hotel inside? It sounds like something from a movie, but Toyota may have actually built it. Today, we are revealing the 2027 Toyota Luxury Nomad, a machine so massive and so advanced that people online are calling it a mansion that can drive itself anywhere. Keep watching till the end, because near the last part of this video, we're going to show you one hidden feature that almost nobody is talking about yet, and it might be the coolest part of this entire vehicle. Let's start with the way it looks, because honestly, this thing looks like it belongs in an action movie. The front has a huge, bold grille with sharp LED headlights that glow like laser beams at night. The body comes in a rugged sandy brown and black combo, giving it a tough, expedition-style look. Thick metal guards protect the sides from rocks and branches, and strong steel hooks sit at the front, ready to pull the vehicle out of mud or snow whenever needed. Every single angle of this camper is built to look strong, bold, and ready for any adventure. Now, let's check out the roof, because this is where the real magic begins. The entire top of the Luxury Nomad is covered with high-tech solar panels that soak up sunlight all day long. That energy gets stored inside a huge battery, powering the lights, fridge, TV, and air conditioning, even when you're miles away from the nearest town. But here's the surprising part. The roof also has a small fold-out deck, so campers can climb up, sit back, and enjoy a full 360-degree view of mountains, forests, or deserts, almost like having your own private lookout tower. Moving down to the tires, these are not your regular wheels. The Luxury Nomad rides on giant, thick, all-terrain tires made specially for snow, sand, mud, and rocky trails. A smart suspension system automatically adjusts itself depending on the road, keeping the ride smooth even over the bumpiest paths. On top of that, its intelligent four-wheel drive system constantly checks the ground and sends power exactly where it's needed, so it almost never gets stuck, even in thick snow or deep mud. Under the hood, there's a massive twin-turbo V8 diesel engine producing close to 500 horsepower, giving it serious power for climbing hills and towing heavy loads. It also comes with different driving modes like snow mode, sand mode, rock mode, and normal mode. And with just one click, the vehicle instantly adjusts itself to handle whatever terrain is in front of it. Now, let's step inside, because trust me, this doesn't feel like a camper at all. It feels like a moving luxury apartment. The driver's seat has huge glowing screens showing maps, speed, and battery levels, plus voice control, so you can just talk to the vehicle instead of pressing buttons. Right behind the front seats is a cozy living room with soft couches facing a big smart TV, perfect for relaxing after a long day of driving. Giant windows all around let sunlight pour in and give you an amazing view of the outside world, whether that's snowy mountains or golden deserts. In the middle sits a small but modern kitchen with a stove, microwave, fridge, and plenty of storage space for food and supplies. Right next to it is a surprisingly fancy bathroom with a rain-style shower, warm water, and a clean modern sink, almost like a tiny hotel bathroom. And above the living area is a beautiful king-size bedroom with soft bedding, warm lighting, and big windows, so you can literally wake up to breathtaking views every single morning. There's also a huge amount of hidden storage built into the walls, floor, and even the roof, giving enough space for clothes, food, camping gear, and outdoor adventure equipment. Now here's where the Luxury Nomad really shows off winter performance. The whole body is specially insulated to stay warm even in freezing weather. The water pipes are heated so they never freeze up, and the tires are designed to grip icy roads without slipping. Whether you're driving through a snowstorm or parked on a frozen mountaintop, this camper keeps you warm, safe, and comfortable no matter what. For safety, it comes packed with features like automatic emergency braking, blind spot warnings, lane keeping assist, and cameras all around the vehicle, giving the driver a full clear view even in tricky, tight spots. As for the price, experts believe the 2027 Toyota Luxury Nomad could start around $450,000, and fully loaded versions with every extra feature could go beyond $650,000. The Toyota Luxury Nomad isn't just a camper, it's basically a moving luxury home, an off-road beast, and a snow-conquering machine, all rolled into one incredible vehicle. If this blew your mind even a little bit, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and turn on notifications, because next time we're bringing you something even wilder that you definitely don't want to miss.